Hi everyone, it's me Lee with Victorian Dreams by Lee on all social platforms. You can find me everywhere really. Okay, so this is what, day 4 maybe of Simply Paisley scrapbook kit. It is just for beginners because I'm not using any dies. I'm only using stuff that came in the kit. The kit had, I'm thinking close to 400 items, I bet. So here's what the album looks like. And that's how much it looks like when it's all done. So it's not an alligator mouth. And I added 2 extra page protectors and made it a yearly 12 double page layout. So here is what we are making, and it says Perfect Fun. So that's the page. Thank you, babe. So that's the page, and that's the page. It is on yesterday's back side. Since it's double-sided, no reason to waste, so pull out yesterday's and we're going to do it today. So here we go. Let's put this right here so I can see it. I'm only going to do one page. Make sure you're doing the right side. This is yesterday's side, so we're not going to do that side. Okay, we're going to do this one, and I'm going to tell you what you need. It's quick and easy. So you need one each on each page of the journal card. You need Perfect for the first left side, and then you need Fun wording for the right side. You need 2 of these each, so 4 altogether. You need 1 each, 2 altogether of this one. So we need this going this direction, and on the other one, it is going the other direction. So left side, right side. And then we need 1 of each, left and right. They're a little different, so 1 of each on each page. And then we have, these are going different directions. We need 1 of each for each page, and we need this one item. So let's get started. This is a quick and easy one today. So remember, it is what we did yesterday, and it says moments. We're going to flip it over. This is already got tape on it, so we're going to peel it off. And we go, and I'm going to use the grid, and we go 1/2 inch. And stick it there. Okay, then we take these 2, and I already put tape on them. The photo mats, everything that I am using comes with it. And we had so much left over. We had 2 sheets left over and all that. That's a lot of crafting. So then I'm going to use the grid again, and I am going to come over. I'm going to show you another way since you don't have the grid. This is a ruler, and we're doing 12 inches. So we're going to come over 1/2 inch and come down 1 inch. So I'm eyeballing it. It goes right here. And then we're going to do the same. We're going to come, and since I want it level, I'm just going to bring the ruler down, and I'm going to measure, and I'm going to come over 1/2 inch and let it be level. There we go. Okay, so I use the ruler. Okay, we're going to put the word perfect. I have my grandson here playing outside, driving my golf cart. I've only drove it 1 time, and then he has taken over. He's 7. He'll be a good driver though when he gets old enough to drive, but he does stay in the yard or the cul-de-sac. But yeah, I'm trying to listen out for him. Let me get this off. Okay, so we took the word perfect, and we are going to, another tip is the 6 is center, so there is 7. So the F is the center of that word. So the F is going to be centered right on there. I learned that in 4-H in 4th grade. Okay, so this one's going that direction. We can peel it off. I'm going to add a little bit of glue, and it looks like we started right at the top with that, so let's just stick it right there. Then we have this, and we're going to peel it. Everything, most everything is stickers of hers. This is not, and the photo mats are not, but most everything else is for embellishments or stickers. We're going to stick that under, just hide the tail. We're going to take the tape off of this, and we are going to stick that and put it right about there. You can still put a picture underneath this and that. Okay, so now we have these, and let's see, we are having them this direction, and we're going to kind of do it like that, and they're going to come down. I think this is a little crooked. I need to fix that. See? Yeah. Okay, so let's peel these two off. But I add a little bit of hot glue because I send it to Florida sometimes, you never know, and the humidity sometimes makes it go up. So let's see, how are we going to do this? This went like right at the bottom, and then this one went right at the bottom. Okay. And then these went like this. So let's peel the little backings off. Let's add a little bit for just in case. And we're going to hide just a hair right like that. And then one more piece and we're done with this one, and then we just need to do the other side, double layout. If you are interested in buying this or anything from Anna Griffin, I'll put a link in the comments so that you can go and check it out. I've been buying Anna for 30 years because she's the best out there and best quality. So this was the page we just did, and I'm going to show you, where's the other page? I wanted to show you the other page that all we changed up was this was going a different direction, and it's fun. And that is the double page layout. I hope you had fun following me. Have a blessed day, everybody. All the links are in the comments.